To open the walker, loosen the straps and remove the front panel. Then, remove the grey inner sole. Stick the wedges together using the double-sided tape. Then attach them inside the bottom of the walker. Place the grey sole back in. Put on the walker sock. Place the leg in the walker, ensure the heel is fully seated and in contact with the sole. Position the foot flaps over the foot and wrap the toe guard around the toes. Reattach the front panel, aligning the Aircast logo over the toes. Insert the front lower shell inside the walker, ensuring the upper part remains on the outside. Fasten the straps firmly but comfortably, from bottom to top. Inflate the air cells on the injured side by turning the dial on the side of the walker. Press and release the large air pump on the top right side of the walker to inflate each air cell. Continue inflating each air cell until they provide a secure fit. If overinflated, release excess air by turning the dial to the corresponding number and then pressing the deflation button. To lock the valves, turn the dial to the locked position